Here's a quick tip. The SELAY command to manipulate layers is a little bit different in BricsCAD than it is in AutoCAD, and I want to show you how it works. So we use the quick key ZX, and then we can still use the S to toggle between turning the rest of the stuff off or turning the selected stuff off. I am going to show you a couple different options. So I'm going to turn the selected things off. And before you hit right click on the mouse, which is what you would do in AutoCAD, in BricsCAD you need to hit X and then enter, and then it'll turn it off. And then you can run the command again, turn that off. You need to hit X, enter. We'll run it again, and now we'll hit S to toggle between rest, and we'll turn the rest of the stuff off other than those two. Hit X and then enter. And then we can hit SELAY and not select anything. Right click and it'll back up one step. It'll back up another step and back up another step. So generally it functions the same as the SELAY in AutoCAD, but after you click the layers you need to hit the X button and then hit either the space bar, the enter bar, or right click to make the command work. So hope that's helpful as you begin to use the SELAY command in BricsCAD. Thanks so much.